Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can add Clearpay into your Shopify store. Now this is called the Clearpay Gateway configuration. The configuration allows you to log into your Shopify admin as a Shopify store owner, navigate to settings and payment providers. Underneath the alternative payment section, click on the select additional payment method drop down. Select Clearpay from the drop down options and enter the merchant ID provided by Clearpay into the merchant ID field. Enter the secret key provided by Clearpay into the secret key field, and be sure not to check the enable test mode boxes pictured below. The integration will not work if the box is checked. Click the activate Clearpay button, and this is a little picture for you to understand more. So make sure that the enable test is unticked. The function is only applicable for dedicated test websites, so Clearpay isn't realistically a dedicated website. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.